Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter more liquidy, only ways. Start by measuring a tablespoon of neutral oil for each 1 cup of peanut butter. Warm the peanut butter briefly in the microwave or on low stove, then add oil gradually while stirring. Mix until smooth and pourable, tasting and adjusting texture. Store in an airtight jar and refrigerate if you used natural peanut butter to maintain freshness. Warm the peanut butter gently for about 15 to 25 seconds in the microwave or over low heat, just until it softens. Add oil slowly, 1 teaspoon at a time, mixing well after each addition to judge texture. Continue until the peanut butter pours or spreads the way you like. If it becomes too thin, cool it briefly to thicken slightly. This method keeps flavor intact and gives predictable results for recipes or toast. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and give the video a like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I've been using a great Oala water bottle that keeps me hydrated while cooking or prepping snacks. It's handy to have nearby when you're stirring warm peanut butter, and it looks great on the counter. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Pick an oil that complements peanut butter. Peanut oil enhances flavor while neutral oil keeps taste subtle. Natural peanut butter often separates, so this method works especially well by reuniting oils and solids. Keep heat low and brief to avoid scorching, which causes bitter notes. For recipes like sauces or smoothies, adjust oil amount for pourability versus thickness. Always stir thoroughly for a smooth, consistent texture and store properly after cooling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.